recording. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Stop it, Andrew. Copyright. Copyright. I am the copyright. Look what you have done. Today we're playing some Bulked Up. And as you can see, we're pretty bulked up. This game is amazing. You can do so many fun things. You can yeet people out of existence. Or in slow-mo, I guess. And you can also things like benches, explosive barrels, and grenades. Stop it! Copyright! Do you want to get me sued? The answer is no! That is the answer! I'm picking you up. Oh, those explosive barrels I was talking about? They are no joke. I'm stealing their TV. What is with you and refrigerators? Where's the TV? My TV! Alright, let's get out of this dump. Hey, kid! I missed! No mercy! No mercy. No mercy. Alright, let's throw a TV at a building. Hey, look! A new TV.
What is my exception? Guys, this video is because,
Shut up. Stop it. Stop it. Some guy's punching me. I'm being crushed. What is happening? Run. Stop it. Stop saying it's a short video. You don't make the rules. You're not my mom. You're not anybody's mom. You're not even a girl. Why did I pick up the sofa?
Honey, go clean your room.
You can't tell me what to do. You're not my mom. I'm your mom. You're my mom and I'm your mom. It's You are so lucky I missed. At Willy's Wonderland. Now die. I missed. Stop it. Oh my god. I yeeted you out of existence. What'd you just do? What did you just do? I stole the toilet. That was the toilet. I found a meteor. I found a meteor.
Where?
Just kidding. But we're making a video, so please don't interrupt. Andrew, share your screen. Share your screen so he can see. Somebody's stealing my loot! He didn't. He didn't. He didn't. grenade. I missed. Crap! Crap! No! 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 Stop it. I tripped. Where did it go? And I got the magic TV that makes you fall asleep bees. I hit the wrong person. I'll take this. And I have and I have the magical toilet. I mean the magical TV. Stop it. Stop it. Well, there goes my TV. Where did that go? Hey. I have a grenade. Yes. No. My bed. Mine. Mine. You tried to throw a person at me. Two can play at that game. You didn't. You want to mess with me, punk? You want to mess with me? That's what I thought. Stay down. Stay. Stay. Stay, doggy. Stay. Hey, hey! How you doing up there? Hey! Stop it! Stop it! I'm trying to get gems! The building fell. I think you missed. Stop it. If I can get up, if you let me get up. I think it hit you. I think it hit you. What, where you're gonna marry your refrigerator? Get yeeted, bro. No! Well, now you're in your house. Andrew, stay in your house. We're doing a challenge. Don't leave the house. Alright? Have fun! No! No, the gems. The gems. Oh my god! Why? Why? challenge? Yes, do it. For views! For views! Ow! Get in the house.
Only if I can bring my refrigerator.
You may bring your refrigerator. I will blow somebody up real quick.
Oh, just leave it. Okay, guys, if you want to see more of this game in the future,
Andrew, follow me. Get in the house. And no matter what happens, you stay. Hey, stop breaking stuff. You're not allowed to do that.
we can break it so I can get you cute.
And I took your refrigerator. I know exactly where you are. It's mine. 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 You're seriously chasing me for a refrigerator? No, mine. No, 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 no. I got your refrigerator. I got your refrigerator. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. No, Andrew. This is Andrew, do a skit with me. This is a magic refrigerator. I bought an admin. When I pick up a refrigerator, it becomes magical. You can say goodbye to your sweet, sweet refrigerator. Hey Andrew, do you mind coming here for a second?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna bring my other babe that was cheating on.
You're cheating on refrigerators?
Yeah, I'm cheating.
The wife. Come here, come here. Turn around so you may see what I'm about to do to your honey. This one has a bigger door. Andrew, stop it. Look at me. Look at me. There she goes. What did you do? What did you do? Mine. 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 You shit. Oh my god. How many refrigerators are you cheating on? How many refrigerators are there? I mean, I might.
Hey, the video title should be
Say goodbye to your refrigerator. No. Here, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Mine. Mine. Stay. Hey, hey, hey. I'll do a ransom. If you ever want your wife refrigerator. No! Where? What? What just happened? I killed her. I can't. And you're gonna go cheat once again. All that remained was a TV and a wall. Want a new Want a new TV? You have a refrigerator as a wife, and I have an oven. I'm trying to kill you. Hey, you know that one refrigerator you were cheating on?
Yeah.
She's mine now! She's mine.
I already saw my babe. I named her. Her name is Refrigerator.
Oh my god, I broke a tree!
You're cheating your baby. Your babe. Your babe.
I am marrying a refrigerator. I never thought this day would come. But it is happening. There that goes. Andrew, come to the death pit. Come to the death pit.
Why are you gonna throw your refrigerator down the toilet?
No, something else.
Oh, no.
Come on, let's go.
You're gonna kill a kid. You're a murderer.
Get away, get away, go away.
You're a murderer.
Stop it! I found it. Stop it. These aren't yours. You don't even use gems.
I do use them.
When? When have you ever used a gem? You can kick? Show me. You mean this? Oh my god, that did not work. Alright, let's chuck a human in. Come on, let's go. Andrew, yeah. Somebody's about to throw in your refrigerator, wife. Andrew, hurry. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Moan. Say goodbye, goodbye. Just kicking people in. I think that's gonna be about it for this video. If you want to see more of this content, subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video. And don't forget to comment. If you comment something we like, we might just, I don't know, share it. I mean, not share it, comment or like it, and stuff like that. Now watch me get pushed down this hole. They can't see your screen. No! No, wait, what? Stop it. Stop it. I'm trying to do the outro. Stop it. So did I. So did I, funny guy. So did I. So did I. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And comment for a video idea, and we might just do it. Like me, endlessly kicking Andrew until he dies again and again and again. And oh my god, he's dead. I kicked him to death.